Hello, wonderful parents. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are tackling one of the most important decisions you will make for your child's future: how to choose the best school for your little one. It's a big responsibility, and today I will help guide you through the process, share your important roles, and also discuss why parents sometimes miss the mark when it comes to providing the right education. Let's get started. The first step in choosing the right school is to understand your child's unique needs. Every child is different, and what works for one may not work for another. Before you begin looking at schools, spend some time observing your child's interests, strengths, and areas where they may need support. Are they more creative or analytical? Do they thrive in structured environments or need more freedom to explore? Knowing these preferences will help you choose a school that supports their growth. Children develop at their own pace, so it is crucial to pick at a school that aligns with their natural learning style and emotional development, whether they are visual learner, auditory learner, or prefer hands-on activities. Understanding their needs will help you make a well-informed choice. Once you have understood your child's needs, the next step is to research the schools. Every school follows a specific curriculum, and it is essential to know if it is matches your educational goals. Some schools follow traditional curriculums, while others may have progressive models like Montessori, Waldorf, or Reggio Emilia, which focuses on hands-on learning, creativity, and emotional intelligence. Look at the school's approach to academic development, their extracurricular activities, and their focus on life skills. Make sure that the school supports not only academic excellence but also the emotional and social growth of your child. It is all about balance. Now, here comes the exciting part: visiting the schools. Never make your decision based solely on brochures or online reviews. Schedule a tour of the school and take time to observe the classrooms. Are the teachers engaged with the students? Do the children seem happy and excited to learn? Pay attention to the overall atmosphere of the school and its surroundings. A positive, nurturing environment is key to a child's development. Ask the right questions during your visit. How do they support children with special needs? What's their approach to discipline and conflict resolution? Understanding the school's philosophy and how it aligns with your values is critical. One important aspect many parents overlook is the teacher-student ratio. Smaller class size mean more individualized attention for your child. It allows the teachers to better understand each child's needs, provide support, and foster a deeper connection with the students. A low teacher-student ratio promotes better communication, learning opportunities, and a stronger bond between the child and the educator. Don't hesitate to ask about this during your school visits. Another key consideration is the school value and culture. Does the school emphasize community involvement? Do they foster respect, inclusivity, and creativity? Schools with strong values and a positive culture create a supportive environment where children feel safe, respected, and motivated to learn. Check if the school organizes events that encourage parents' involvement, promotes diversity, and integrates character education. A positive school culture will help your child develop emotionally and socially in addition to academically. As parents, our role in our child's education is crucial. It's not just about picking the right school, it's about supporting them throughout their learning journey. Be involved, communicate regularly with teachers, and encourage your child's natural curiosity and love for learning. Support their emotional well-being and create home environment that reinforces what they learn at school. Remember, you are your child's first teacher. While the school will provide formal education, you will continue to influence their development at home. Stay engaged, be supportive, and always encourage their progress. Now, let's address why some parents fail to choose the right education for their child. Often, parents make decisions based on convenience, such as choosing the nearest school without considering the child's needs. Some may be influenced by peer pressure or choose school based on prestige rather than the schools fit for their child. Parents also sometimes overlook emotional well being in favor of academic success. While academics are important, a school that nurtures your child emotionally and socially will lead to a greater success in the long run. Always prioritize your child's happiness and well being when making decisions. Choosing the right school is a journey. By understanding your child's needs, researching schools, visiting classroom, and considering the school's values, you can make an informed choice that will set your little one up for success. But always remember, as parents, our job doesn't stop at choosing the right school. We must continue to be active participants in our child's education and emotional development. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more parenting tips and educational content. Let me know in the comment what you are looking for in a school for your child. Together, let's ensure every child gets the best start in life.